Hey there, we're at historic Jamestown and we are here to see the nifty trains here. You can see where there's no trains running today, but they have a spiffy caboose and we're just about to go and see the roundhouse. So let's do it. Come on, Jake. Gonna go down the steps and check things out. All right. Whoop. Alrighty. The roundhouse is really big. And they have this really neat pump over here too. I'll show you that. It's an old-time pump. That's pretty cool. Well, let's check out the roundhouse. They're like big garages for the trains. Wow. Pretty nifty. They've got some old cars and some choo-choos. These are passenger cars and some really neat steam engines. Let's go to the next one down. Some old equipment here. Not sure what that is. Looks like an old washing machine thing, but it's right here on the side. Some train parts. What do you think, Jake? I don't know either. Okay, here's another roundhouse. Garage roundhouse. Let's see.
Oh, this year, number 28.
It is. It's the number 28 steam engine. Check that out. And over here, the number 34.
34.
Big spout. I like those barrels too. Wow, it's got a big headlamp on it. Look at that, Jake. You can see where they're going. Over there where the workers hang out and fix things. Wow, that's cool. More parts. More parts. Look at that. Let's peek in here real quick.
Another one, zero, number 3.
Ah, another view of number 3, yeah. That is one cool engine. Bunch of pieces and parts over there. Wow, it's a big tank. Not sure what we're looking at here. It's a giant gear. Yeah, coming toward the Shady Rest Hotel. That's from Petticoat Junction, Jakey. They actually did the water tower scene from Petticoat Junction right here in Jamestown. Can't go that way. Authorized personnel only. Green's beef coming at ya. Look at all these parts. It is all kinds of pieces and parts. Train pieces and parts. Some big old chains. Look at this big chain, Jake. My goodness, that's gonna pull something super heavy. Here's a good look at a really cute caboose. To the train yard. building. Look at that. Goodness, that's really cute. Caution, it says. Now this is the front view of the roundhouse. You can see where all the tracks come in, and then this is where the swivel at the turntable.
Active train operations beyond this point.
That's right. Good
For
job.
safety, connotation.
Okay. Caution, indeed.
Stay off the tracks and equipment.
That's right. All right, let's go back around this way. This is the number 7 caboose. It's one big garage for trains, Jake. This is taking a look out at the train yard from this angle. It's really interesting. That's a diesel engine right here. See that? Big diesel engine. Uh-huh. Ooh, watch your step.
Like in the movie.
Yes, just like in the movie. Okay, and we're going to stop by this tree and we're going to show everybody this cool water tower. Now, this is the water tower we were talking about that was in a series a long time ago called Petticoat Junction. It's where they fill up steam trains with the water so they can get up and down the track. Okay, well, thanks for coming along with us on a little tour of Jamestown Historic Railroad, and we'll see you next time. Bye.